So if you've got loud clanging noises coming from an air conditioner, wanted to show you what it most often is. Now I go into this in more detail in a lot of other videos, but on this one, this is what happened today. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Yep, so these loud noises coming from your air conditioner. First order of business is to pull the disconnect and may need to discharge the capacitor if needed. This one I looked around for something to use to lift
no, we
the
just
fan
need something
baffle,
to anchor the baffle with.
but could not find anything, even though it was right in front of me.
And then anchored in with some bigger
So
screws.
we unscrewed it instead and then anchored it. And I used a molly under one of the bolts. The other ones I used a bigger screw, and that was able to hold good.
Right in front of me, but I couldn't see it. But we got it all set back on, ready to run it. All right. Ready to plug it in?
Yeah.
Wiring looks okay? It's okay, huh? We don't change nothing. It's okay? Alright. Good, good. Here goes a moment of testing. Nice.
Got lucky on this one that it didn't damage the fan blades.
Probably need to put some fender washers on there just to make it survive another year or two. But it's back in the mix. Try and hurt it from the ground. Oh boy. Try to prevent these things. 113 degrees. Pump springs. Nice and cold. Alright.
Quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.